Hi, in this short video, I just want to show you 5 different ideas for quick decorative garlands that you can make for your spring as well as summer decorations. And all of them are actually no-sew, which makes them really fast to work up. So let's get started on it. Okay, so let's get started with the 5 ideas that I have. So basically, these are all the garlands that I'll be going through. I'll show you all of them one by one. But the first one is actually one that I did for my Christmas lights. As you can see, these are just bauble stitches on a chain. And of course, these are the Christmas colors. And instead of making the Christmas colors, you can make it in bright spring and summer colors as well. Or you can change to basically any color that you want. So this actually is available as a video tutorial under my Christmas lights, which you can check down in the playlist below. So this is the first example, and then this is the easiest, and you can change up the colors any way that you want. Okay, and then the next one I will show you is actually one that is filled with hearts. Okay, so let me set this aside. Okay, so this is the next one, which is actually made up of it's a garland made out of, okay, let me just remove that. A garland made out of hearts. So you can see this is the first set that I made, which is basically in red and pink, which was meant for Valentine's Day. But of course, you can change up the colors and use it for other occasions, and you can use it to decorate your home as well. So this is all done without any sewing. So this is the alternating red and pink one, and then I decided to change up the color, so you can see it looks a little bit different when it's made with blue and purple instead. If you want to figure out how to make these are all available as video tutorials. If you want to figure out how to change the colors from back and forth, I have a separate video tutorial for that as well. So this is actually the heart garland. So this is the second example, and then the next one I will show you will be a little bit more complicated. Okay, so for this next one, it's actually quite spring and summer themed, so I'm going to move these hearts away. The next one is actually made up of flowers as well as leaves. So this was the original one that I made. And like I said, they're also all completely made on a foundation chain. You could actually block it to make this better, but this is how it looks like when I finished it. So basically, these are alternating flowers as well as leaves. Okay, let me just adjust this. Okay, so you can see the flower and then the leaf, and then the flower and then the leaf. So this is what happens when you make these colors. You can change up the colors. So I often like to change the colors just so that they will have a slightly different appearance. So I've switched it to blue in this case, light blue instead of purple. And then the chain is a separate color, which is a bit more pastel pink. But actually I'm using the exact same pattern. So the pattern and the video tutorial for this is available below. So but you can see this is how it looks like when it's with blue yarn instead of purple. Okay, and then this is one example, and then I will move on to the next one, which is actually an Easter themed garland. So I've also made it in 2 separate colors, but I'll show you the original one first. So let me take this away. And then for this next one, I actually made it in quite simple complementary colors. So if you want to figure out what colors to use, you can go and you can use complementary colors on a color wheel or complete opposite colors. So that's probably something to talk about for a separate time. But so this is the Easter one. So you can see the Easter bunny's hair coming down from the chain, and this is supposed to be an Easter egg. So it's a round yellow Easter egg, and it's alternating bunnies as well as eggs. This is a different color, which I just decided to experiment with blue and orange. And then this is how it looks like when it is made in orange and in blue. So you can see they look quite different, and you can always experiment and change up the colors. This was actually the color combination that I made for the set that came with it, so that's why I decided to try these colors. And then after I've already shown you the floral one that has the leaves and the flowers. So for this last one, I've actually repeated flowers again, but this time it's with a butterfly, alternating with butterfly. So the flower is also slightly different from the previous one. They're actually very similar to my applique ones because we're working into the chain. So this is the butterfly, the blue butterfly, as well as the flowers. So we're alternating the flowers as well as the butterfly. And then when I changed up the colors, it looks a little bit different. So this time I decided to make it in yellow, orange, and white. And you can see the butterfly is orange now. So when I decided these colors, I kind of looked at the color wheel and decided what would match as well as what would complement each other or what would contrast well. And then you can get your color decisions from there. So remember what I mentioned, if you need a little bit of help with changing colors in foundation chain, I have a separate video tutorial for that as well. So yes, this is it. So this is the last example. So there were 5 that I mentioned. One is this, one is the flower, one is the heart, one is the Christmas lights, and one is the Easter one. So that's it. So I thought I'll just give you an overview and a roundup of all the ideas that you can make. All of them are done really quickly with very little yarn, so you can use your stash yarn, as well as it's completely no sew, so it works out really fast, and you can extend all of these as long as you want and make them into garlands for your home or for your office or for your kids bedroom. So it's completely up to you. So if you found that this was really useful and you would like me to come up with more ideas for garlands, I actually have a separate Halloween one, which is like a completely separate story. But if there's more of these that you would like to see, remember to comment down below to let me know what ideas you have for me to make, and I'll try to make them next. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that quick video on all the ideas. If you want to check out all the individual garland tutorials, they're all available in the playlist in the link in the description below. And they're also all no sew. So also, if you want more techniques on how to use foundation chains or chains in general for amigurumi as well as for garlands, remember to go and see more details down below as well. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and hit like, and see you in the next video.